As a student at the University of Jamestown, you have access to millions of articles from scholarly journals and other publications through databases that the library subscribes to. Databases are search tools for scholarly information and are a good choice if you have a focused topic within a specific discipline or subject area, like nursing, psychology, or education. In this video, we'll walk through how to find databases for searching for articles on a specific topic. Your first step is to get to our list of databases by navigating to the library website. In MyUJ, there's a link in the gray left-hand menu. From the UJ website, we're the last option under the Academics menu, or you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Library. On the library homepage, you'll see a search bar near the top of the screen. Click on the orange All Databases button below that search bar to view a list of all of our library databases. There are a lot of databases in this list, so let's use the filters at the top of the screen to narrow down our options. Depending on the topic you are searching, you'll want to use a database that focuses on the subject area your topic falls under. The second drop-down menu from the left lets you filter by subject. The subjects in this list correspond to the majors and programs here on campus, so a handy way to think about broader subject areas is to think about the class you're doing research for and the department it's in. For example, if you're doing research on short-term memory for a psychology course, selecting the psychology subject will narrow down the list to databases that are relevant for that discipline. You can also filter by the type of resource you're looking for. So if you know you want news and magazine articles in addition to scholarly articles, or even books or streaming video, you can select those options from the drop-down menu that is third from the left. You can also jump to databases alphabetically if you know the name of the database you want, or scroll down the page until you find what you're looking for. To open a database and search it, click on its title in the list. Let's look at a psychology-focused database called PsycArticles as an example. Databases will typically have a search box featured prominently, and that's where you'll type in your search terms or keywords. Below the search box, you'll also notice two filters we can apply before we even hit search: full text and peer-reviewed. This will limit our results to peer-reviewed scholarly articles that we have full, immediate access to. One other useful feature is this Change Databases link directly above the search bar. Here you can add other databases to your search that also come to us from the same provider, in this case, ProQuest. This lets us search more than one set of resources at the same time, giving us access to a greater number of articles. For our psychology research topic on short-term memory, we might also add PsycInfo to our search. This is another core psychology-focused database. Check the box next to the database title to add it to our search, and then hit the teal Use Selected Databases button at the top right of the list. Now we can search both of these databases simultaneously. Keep your eye out for similar Change Databases links in other databases too. Lots of our databases have this option, it just may look a little different on different search platforms. Filters on the left side of our search results screen can help us narrow our results further, especially by date. When you find an article that looks interesting and relevant, click on the title or head directly to the PDF of the article by clicking on the full text PDF option below basic information about that search result. In this video, we discussed how to find databases for searching for articles on a specific topic. If you have any questions about getting started, don't hesitate to contact the Reference and Instruction Librarian at reference@uj.edu or stop by the library.